Okay, so for this question, we're asked to identify which of these represent a function. So remember, for a function, for every input, there is only one output. So if we look at this first one, when the input is 0, the only output is 1. When the input is 1, the only output is 2, and so forth. So that would be a function. Here, when we look at this one, if we say when the input is A, what is the output? It's T. That's it. There is no other answer to that. It's only T. When the input is B, what's the output? It's still T, but the only answer to that is T. So that's going to be a function. Down here, though, where we have, I think this is maybe people, girls and who they have dated, I'm guessing. So we have Bella. And so who has Bella dated would be the question, and in this case, Jacob and Edward. So there are two answers to that input, so that is not a function. Likewise, Katniss, Gail, and Peta. So who has Katniss dated? These two people. So there's two answers to that question, not a function. For this one, not a function at all. So the input is 9, and then the output is, there's all these different ways to say 9. And so for the same numerical value, there's lots of different word names for it depending on the language. And then this one is still a function. So this one, not a function. So you see lots of different choices coming off the X value or the input, not a function. Here, this is the button on the vending machine. So if you press A1, you should only get Doritos. Likewise, if you press B3, you're only going to get Doritos. So that is a function. So you can have multiple x's with the same y, but you cannot have the same x with multiple y's. So that's the basics of a function.